Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share a tutorial how to use AirDrop on your iPhone. So AirDrop is a tools that you can use for sharing your files from one iPhone to another iPhone. So the things that you have to do is that make sure that your AirDrop is active. So for activating the AirDrops, you must activate the Bluetooth too. So without activating the Bluetooth, the AirDrop will be not active too. So you just need to click and hold it, and after that make sure that the AirDrop here is in everyone for 10 minutes if the files that you want to share is from out of your contact. So that's the first way. The second way is just go by open the settings button, and after that you just need to go into an AirDrops in a generals, and after that go click in AirDrops, and now you can access either you want to share from your contact or from another one. So that's all the way how to use AirDrops on your iPhone. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.